everyone, and welcome back to Ahlam Game Dev. I'm Ahlam, an indie game developer, and today I'm going to show you an AI follow tutorial where the AI follows the player. So here I'm at Unity, and before we start, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing because I post weekly content of how you can improve your games. And give a like if you like this video and comment that you liked it. So let's get started. In Unity, here I am, and I have a geometric player, is a square, and an enemy AI, which is another square, it's just red, and the player is the blue one. And I already have a player movement script. You can check it out, and it'll be the link for the video that I have about player movement is in the description of this video. So I already created a C# script called enemy AI follow. You can just click here, click C# script, and you can rename it. So, and double click it to open in Visual Studio. And when it is opened, it should look something like this. I just deleted the start and the update method. So first, we have to create two variables. One is public, called a float, and this one I'm gonna call it speed. And this variable will control how fast our AI will move. Also, there is a private transform variable, and this one is gonna called target. And we're gonna make the start method. So let's write start. In the start, we're gonna write target is equal to a game object that has the tag of player. So we have to write game object dot find object with tag and player like this. And we need specifically the transform component. So get component like this, and let's write transform and some parentheses and a semicolon to end it. So now we have to make the update. So update, and here we have to write target. Actually no, we have to write transform dot position is equal to vector2 dot move towards, and in the parentheses we have to write our current position. So transform dot position, then we have to write to where we want to go. So target dot position, and at what speed. So we're gonna write speed multiplied by time dot delta time. We use time or delta time so that the speed will not increase on more performant computers, and the speed will not decrease on less performant computers. Unity is gonna adjust that. So now, if we save this and then we go into Unity, and here, if we select the enemy AI and drag and drop this script onto him like this, and the speed I'm gonna put, for example, 10, and let's hit play, and we should see the enemy AI following the player. And as you can see that the AI actually follows the player, but the problem is that the AI actually literally covers the player. You can see here, he literally covers the player. And if you want to make that the AI stops at a certain distance from the player, we just need to add a if statement here. So first we have to make another variable, and this one is public. So a public float variable. This one I'm gonna call it stopping distance, semicolon. In the update we just need to add a if statement. So if, in parentheses like this. So here we're gonna write if vector2 got distance, so the distance between the current position, so transform the position, and our target dot position is greater than stopping distance, then we want to run this crucial line of code like this. So I did the alt and the up arrow to move it up. So I did this line and go here. So this actually let me explain. So if the distance between the AI position and target position, so the player, is greater than the distance, the stopping distance, then the AI will follow him. But if it's less, this line of code will not run, so he'll stop. We save this and go back to Unity. And here in the inspector, I'm gonna set a value of 3, for example, and I'm gonna hit play. And here we can see that the when the player moves, he's gonna go follow it, but when the player is close enough, he's not gonna do anything. Really cool. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And consider subscribing because I upload weekly videos of how you can improve your games. And thanks for watching.